Hello everyone. Today we will see how to fix font corruption in Windows and restore default fonts. If the system fonts are corrupted, the text usually not readable. The page you are viewing in front of me often look like this, or you will simply see some boxes only. Most of the time, font corruption also occur due to customization. In this video, we will try font restoration using some simple technique. So first we will install the default system fonts of Windows. Just download the font package. All resources used in this video will be given in this description. After extract, just open this folder and select all fonts and try to install. After successfully installed, just download this registry file and open it. Press yes and OK. This will restore all your default fonts. Now open Control Panel and go to Appearances and Personalization. Go to Font Settings and click Restore the default font settings. It will also restore the default settings. Now open CMD, run as administrator. After opening, execute all the commands one by one. You will get it from the description. This will restart the font services and helps to clear the font caches. After applying any methods, you can check it separately. If it works, then there is no need to apply the next method. Now restart your PC and check the applied changes. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.